Hey there, friends! Polly Glotty and her friends are eating lunch today. Let's join them and learn new words. Polly's friends are at a beautiful beach resort. It's afternoon and they are super hungry. Uh-oh! Looks like our fuzzy friends don't know how to order their food. Let's help them and learn some English words. This is a table! Here's a chair to sit down on at the table. Great job! That is a glass! A glass holds your water or juice. Now for utensils. Fork, spoon, and knife. Can you say fork, spoon, knife? Now we need a plate. Say plate. Now we need a napkin to wipe our mouth. Napkin! Way to go! Now practice the words. How many words do you remember? Oops, our silly friend tried to eat soup with a fork, but to eat soup you need a spoon. Now they're ready to order their food. Let's see how they do. They did it. Polly Glotty's friends ordered their meal. Look how happy they are enjoying their food. Yum yum! Awesome job, everyone! Where do you want to go with Polly Glotty and her friends next? Polly Glotty and her big fuzzy purple friends from space are learning new English vocabulary words at a restaurant today. Here is a fork. Can you say fork? Great job. Here is a spoon. Can you say spoon? Amazing! Here is a knife. Can you say knife? Well done. Here is a table. Say it with us. Table. Here is a plate. Can you say plate? Fantastic! There is a napkin to wipe your hands and mouth. Napkin! There is a chair. Polly Glotty's friend is sitting in a chair at the table eating fruit. Great job, friend! Thank you for helping Polly Glotty and her friends learn new English vocabulary words. Where do you want to go with Polly Glotty next?
Polly Glotty and her friends from space are on a tropical island. They are learning new English vocabulary words. They're going hiking today on the island. There is a trail along the ocean where they can walk. They are in a tropical forest. Look at all the pretty tropical trees and plants and flowers. There's a spider in a spider web. Look at the 6 colorful birds in that tree. Oh look, there is a green lizard over there. Is that a frog? I bet he can jump high. Look at that pretty butterfly. Butterflies have wings. Wow, what a fun day hiking in the tropical forest. Where do you want to go with Polly Glotty and her friends next? Polly Glotty and her friends from space are on a tropical island. They are learning new English vocabulary words. They are going hiking today on the island. This is a trail next to the ocean. Here they can start their hike. Look at this lush green tropical forest. So many plants and flowers and trees. That ant on the ground is carrying a green leaf on his back. Neat! Look at that black and yellow bee on that pretty tropical flower. Whoa! There is a blue and green caterpillar over there. Oh no, that is a mosquito. Don't let him bite you. Mosquito bites are so itchy. Wow! Look over there near the pond. That is a dragonfly. Wow, what a fun day hiking in the rainforest. Where do you want to go with Polly Glotty and her friends next?